going down? Happy 4th of July, everyone. Just fired up the chud box. Got a little something special going on today. So first time doing a porchetta. We got a skin on pork belly here. I'm gonna wrap a loin up in it. Have my marinade. It's been marinating overnight. It's sage, rosemary, garlic, thyme, oregano, little lemon zest, orange zest. Okay, so we got the marinade over on. All we're gonna do is squirt all the meat so I can massage it all in. Okay, so now we got the pork tenderloin from Peaceful Pork right in there. We're gonna roll this bad boy up. We got this pork belly skin on from Johnny G's Meat Market right here in South Austin. We're gonna roll this tenderloin up. Nice. Ooh, pork belly wrapped tenderloin. Called that porchetta. And check back to see how this bad boy goes. Peace. What's going down? Matt with Smoke Game Strong. We got this porchetta on the chud pit. This thing's been rolling for a while. It's sitting at pretty hot 400. Come take a look. Let's see where we're at. Oh man. See the fat rendering? Nice and perfectly. We got the Fogo rolling with the Sierra wood. Come through with that post oak for me. This thing is looking phenomenal. I'm gonna give it a little roll and probably about another, I don't know, we'll get a temperature check. We're gonna push it to about 145. So let's get it. All right, we are at an internal temperature of 144 in the middle of the loin. What I'm gonna do is pull this thing over to the hot end and get that skin super hot and crisp it up a little bit. Let this thing breathe a little. Should be done here in about 5 minutes. Smoke Game Strong, baby. All right, we are done with the porchetta. You ready to see this? Boom, baby. Oh, we are done and crispy. Let's get this bad boy off the chud pit. Smoke Game. First porchetta on the chud box. It's going down, baby. Smoke Game Strong. All right, all right, all right. It's time to cut into this bad boy. Look at that tenderloin, cooked to perfection. I'm not even squeezing that thing. Look at that thing, boy. Smoke Game Strong, baby. Gotta get that fine, thin slices for them porchetta sandwiches. Hear that crunchy crunch from the smoked dog.